Hi there. Are you looking to advance or start your career in the gaming industry? My name is Oleg, and I've been organizing games fairs for the past 6 years, um, where we gathered over 70 leading game studios from Europe, and over 10,000 game developers participated. And today, I want to invite you to join us this Thursday at the Autumn Games Job Fair live. What to expect at the event? You will have the opportunity to listen to the company presentations and connect with them on Discord for the Q&A. You will learn how to level up your portfolio to get the jobs you want. We will deep dive into the industry in numbers for this year's and analytics. We will explore alternative ways to earn while making games or how to build a great portfolio. How to turn your ideas into games. As a former project manager, this is the topic that I would like to discuss: what separates producers in the games industry from project managers in the software industry. Especially if you're an artist, we will gather 4 art leads, which are going to go through about 10 portfolios live to give their suggestions and improvements. Interested? Ready to join? Follow the link in comments, and I look forward to seeing you this Thursday. Have a great day.